Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. This is Sid Ahmed from Motor9. We have got visitors in Algeria. My friend
Matt.
Matt,
Hi.
how are you? Good?
I'm good, thank you.
All is good. And Mahdi.
رضا.
Sorry.
رضا.
رضا تاوعنا.
السلام عليكم. مهدي تاوعكم.
Mahdi زي تاوعنا. مرحبا بك. So you are more than welcome and we are proud to have you here visiting us.
Welcome to be
Yeah. They are representing a company which is called
UKCC Autotex.
UKCC Autotex. It's a company like Motor9 dedicated for the engine cleaning or engine decarbonization. We are pleased to collaborate and to have you here.
All the pleasures is ours.
Thank you very much. I'm really proud.
There's a question. I've seen you making some videos about Catalyzer.
Super Catalyzer. Yeah. It's a technology that we bring from Italy.
Okay.
A company that developed this or sell this, it's called Volches. And we are presenting this in Algeria.
Yeah.
Exactly. A very good tool. I'm telling you.
What's the benefit of it?
Yeah. You end up, wherever happen, with a good combustion. What do you mean by a good combustion is that you burn all the molecule of your fuel, so there is no residue that can create or accumulate and get problem later. So if you are working or driving a DPF car or things like that, when you see the differential pressure across the DPF or across the exhaust line, you will never see a clogged things over there. You work effectively. It minimizes the consumption, and then the lifetime of the oil as well. I suggest you to see this. It's very good.
Is it called Oxitane?
No. Super Catalyzer. It's called Super Catalyzer.
There's another one like it.
There are a lot of that try to simulate what they are seeing, but they are different in the material used.
Okay.
It's
so by your experience,
yep.
Obviously we don't, but by your experience, you think this Super Catalyzer is much better product than other competitors?
Exactly.
Correct. Okay.
If you can prevent something from happening, this is the right thing you can do. What we are doing now that we are removing carbon after it built up. And the other solution, we are doing something that prevents the carbon from. Yeah, this is what I mean. I suggest you to try this. Yeah, it's very worthy and very good technology. Yeah. I have been pleased, my friend. This is not the last time.
Pleasure.
And we will collaborate. Thank you very much.
I have to thank as well
Usama
for making this.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks to you.
Thank you.
Thanks to you, man.
And it's very good. Looks good.
We are developing things, yeah.
Yeah, you are.
That's good.
We are very interested.
You are welcome. You are more than welcome. Thank you very much. فرصة سعيدة إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.